So it's not working. Okay. Wildfires by Hunter and Logan.
90% of the wildfires are caused by humans, 10% are caused by nature, lava, lightning, and humans can cause wildfires. They use a tool called a
Luskis to dig fire lines to prevent a wildfire. To prevent a wildfire, that once you're done with the campfire or fire, throw a bucket of water on it to put it out. And question: when you go camping, do you start and put out the fire?
In just seconds, a spark or even the sun's heat sets off an inferno. Some wildfires start by fire tornado or fire whirls. It is just a tornado made out of fire. Other ways a wildfire starts includes lightning, humans carelessness, erosion, volcano eruptions, and pyrotechnics. Cloud from an active volcano.
How many animals die a year? Millions of animals die from wildfires a year. Wildfires authorities are beginning to assess the toll on fauna, but some animals have adapted to living in the prone areas.
2 million acres of U.S. land burns a year. Please think about it. This could happen to the forest near you. So think about what might happen when you start a fire.
Flight of words you might not know. Fauna, the animal of a particular region, habitat, or geographical period. Fluscus, a combination of an axe and a hoe used to dig a fire line. Here are the websites we use to find out information. And this is how a wildfire was made.